Hey everybody, I'm in Ocean Beach, California. We're at the farmers market, which goes to 8 o'clock. I'm here to do a show, a live show for Healthy Haven. I'm going to do it from, I guess from my car. And then at 7:30, that's at 7:30, and then at 8 o'clock, at 8:30, I'm going to go to the drum circle to see my buddy John. But in the meantime, I wanted to check it out and see what's going on. So far, I've had mead, which is nectar of the gods, which is honey that turns into alcohol, and that was pretty good. Got 3 shots of that, and then I got some other stuff that was like lemongrass paraffin. And I use that. Kind of smells good. So this compares pretty much like the Oceanside Sundays, Oceanside's Sunset Market. That's the where it has all kinds of different food. There's like some turmeric over there. No, it's not turmeric. It's gummies. Yeah. Hey, look at that. That's different. It's a wheelchair that's electric. That is super cool.
I was going to get cookies.
Look at that little wheelchair with it's electric. It's lightweight. It's like maneuvering in traffic. Pretty cool. Anyway, I need a little label on this, like on the camera, so people know who you're with, and then our fans can recognize this and go, hey, how do we join? Give them a flyer. This is how you do it, folks. So what I got to do is I got to connect my YouTube channel with my.
She didn't even look.
I know, they're just like, get out of my way. Watch out for them toes, folks. Captain Jack's. The smell of the garlic is in the air. It's making me hungry. So anyway, I want to know where the beer is at, because can't have any food without any beer. Okay, they got a little artist area over here. So we're testing out the equipment, see how it works. Thing is, I should have the equipment going live, not recorded, because then I have to look at it. Hey, hey, hey. And there's the good. All right, that looks like the end of it, so we'll turn around and go back into the sun. Silver by Maru, Silver by Maru. And get ready for the show. Boy, all that looking has made me hungry. Wonder what's good to eat. Flavors of the East Africa. That's a cool little ride. A nostalgia coffee curve. So now we're going into the sun, folks. It's probably going to be hard to see, but we got to check out the equipment and see how it looks. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Boy, it's... Are all these people in line?
Yep.
For what? For that
African cuisine, bro.
Is that good?
Yeah, dude, it's pretty fun.
Yeah, because all these people in line must be good.
I just love their rice, but like everyone loves everything else. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like,
gonna go take another look.
It's pretty bomb.
Thanks, bro.
You got one less person in front of you, bro. I'm gonna go get some tacos.
So the African Casino's got this big line. Let's see what they got. Does smell good, but I gotta do the show first before I reward myself with local food. Ooh, maybe some oysters.
This one always has the longest line. Oh, hey girl. Good. This is Cass. Hi, Juliana. Nice to meet you. This is my roommate, Billy. Hi, Ellie. Nice to meet you.
Oh, they rock and roll them over there. They cook them over there, huh? Ooh, that looks good. Oh, that looks yummy. Are yours smoked? Are yours smoked like over there? No?
Thanks, boss. Pardon me, amigo.
Yeah. What else do they put on it?
Cheese, parsley, I think a little bit of garlic butter on it.
Oh, that looks good.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Saves you a trip to Baja. Hi there.
Full meal and
A what? Frankincense? I think that's what I'm supposed to be using. Because in the oils, the essential oils, that's what my girl got me in Venice Beach. Yeah, so you guys sell them here? And you got frankincense? Oh, let me check that out. Hi, so you got frankincense? Oh, no, I wanted frankincense. Oh, okay, I was hoping it was frankincense. Thank you. I'm grateful.
What would you like, sir?
I like the sample of your popular one.
No, I don't do sample, sir.
You don't do samples?
No, sir.
So how can I buy it if I can't taste it?
But if you go to Costco, open everything and eat it, and wait till you like and buy it. I don't do that, sir.
Not even, no?
No.
No?
Sorry.
What is that?